Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to pad a bustier, a princess that bustier. If this is a video you're interested, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. So right now, I'll go ahead and line my bustier. I already cut it out. I'll line my bustier with a soft paper stay. So right here, I'm just layering it with 4 pieces of the soft paper stay. You can do beyond 4, but I used 4 pieces because after using the 4 I achieved the thickness I desired. So when you get to the thickness you want or desire, you can stop ironing the stuffed paper stay on the bustier. So I used 4 layers and it was okay for me. So right now I'm just showing you how I iron the soft paper stay on my fabric. I'll go ahead and do that, and when I've achieved my desired thickness, I'm going to stop. My advice is when you're ironing your paper stay to your fabric, please make use of a steam iron. A steam iron will do the job better. A steam iron will do a good job. When you use a steam iron, it will help this ironing come out very smooth. So right here, I'm done layering my gum stay to my fabric. So I'll go ahead and do the same for the other 2 sides of the bustier. Right here, I did a cutout of the breast pad. You won't layer it to the entire bustier pattern, so I just layered the breast part, the breast cup part, and I'm just placing it and adding more layers to it. I added 4 as well, and I ironed it as well. Please, if you don't understand what I'm doing, please just watch the video. The same thing I did for this side, I repeated the same step for the other side as well. And after ironing, I'll go ahead and stitch, and I'll sew on 0.5 inches of sewing allowance. So I'll go ahead and do that on my sewing machine, and we'll see the results together. After ironing, you want to go ahead and trim out all the parts you don't need. I went ahead to trim mine, and after trimming, it came out really looking nice. So I went ahead to sew on 0.5 inches of sewing allowance. And after sewing, I went ahead to open up my seams and I gave it a good press. Right here in the video, I'll be marking 0.5 inches all the way down, and I'll go ahead and stitch it together. And after stitching, I went ahead to open up the seams and I pressed it. I gave it a good press, both the inside and the outside. I repeated the same thing for the other side as well, and here is the result. It came out really looking nice. You can use soft paper stay to achieve this type of stand for your bustier. Thank you for watching my videos. This is the finished look. It came out really looking nice. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.